A new opportunity is emerging for young learners in Ukhrul Town. Students of Class 10 and 12 now have the chance to step into the world of artificial intelligence through a 2-month offline AI and technology program at Ukhrul Central School, presented by OJA AI Labs. The April to May intensive 8-week program introduces students to future-ready digital skills through practical learning and guided project development. A key highlight of the program is Alfred, a voice-activated AI co-teacher developed by OJA AI Labs. Alfred explains coding concepts in real time, answers questions instantly, and demonstrates solutions on a digital whiteboard, creating an interactive and modern classroom experience. Course structure weeks 1 to 2, AI Basics, Internet Fundamentals, HTML and CSS weeks 3 to 4, JavaScript and responsive web development, weeks 5 to 6, Python, AI tools, chatbot, and image recognition apps, weeks 7 to 8, final AI project, certification work, and demo presentation, batch timings, morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., evening 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Only 15 students per batch will be selected. Students completing the program will receive IBM SkillsBuild certification, AI Fundamentals Digital Badge, Institute Completion Certificate. The program will be delivered by IBM SkillsBuild certified faculty with strong focus on practical hands-on learning. Admission is limited and selection will be through an interview process. For registration, interested students may apply through the QR code from the screen or click the registration link provided in the description. Program fee is 8,500 rupees only. This initiative marks an important step toward bringing advanced AI education to school students in Ukhrul and preparing them for the digital future.